How to change project frame rate in Kdenlive. First of all, start a new project. In the project settings window, you will see the frame rate or FPS drop-down menu. Click on it and choose the frame rate that suits your project, such as 24, 25, 30, or even 60 frames per second. Selecting the right frame rate ensures your video plays smoothly and matches the source footage or the platform requirements. After choosing the frame rate, click OK to apply the changes to your project. Keep in mind that changing the frame rate after starting your edit may cause timeline issues, so it's best to set it at the beginning. And that's it. Now you know how to change the project frame rate in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.